Okay, hi you guys. So this is part 2. What we need to do now, we're going to put a base color down. So we're going to color our entire image, right? This is what I did. I renamed by clicking on the layers. This is my ground color, that solid white, right? Then I added in a layer in between and I called it solid color. Then this is my inks layer, right? So this is what we need to do. This is step 2. We're going to take our little magic wand here, right? And do you see continuous? We need this contiguous checked. So just make sure that's checked. Then we're going to click here, right? See how it's selecting all of the white and the outside of my sketch? Now I'm going to get a little closer so you can see what's going on. Okay, I now need to go into select and I'm going to do inverse. See how now it's right on the outside of my color? So what I want to do is to now select and modify. And we're going to hit contract. So see how it's 3? I'm going to lower that. And watch what happened. Those little like marching ants, those little marching dashed lines moved in. I'm going to do that one more time. I'm going to hit select, modify, contract, and I'm going to go it down to 1. See? Now when I color in, it's going to be inside the line, so I like that. Now what I did, and just make sure that you go through your sketch, and if there's any type of openings, you have to close them before we do this. I had a little opening there, and I'm going to fix that. So I drew in her face so that I could have a complete solid color as the background, right? So once we do that, I'm now going to hit my bucket tool and I'm going to go in and fill. Now, we may want to change the color. So let's do edit, undo paint bucket. I'm going to get a nice light, really light color. Neutral, right? And I'm going to pick that and I'm going to do that. So now I have one solid color, right? And I want you guys to see my layers. So now I have my ground color, right? I have my solid color. And then I have my inks layer. That's what I named it. So you know what? I'm going to hit deselect. So this is step 2. I'll write down all the instructions. It's pretty easy. And then from here, we're going to go in. We're going to start coloring in everything. We're going to add textures and shadowing and really make our illustration come to life. All right. Again, for homework this week, you're only doing one sketch. I just want you to walk through the steps at least once so that when it comes time to do all 5 for your term project, you guys aren't freaking out. You're going to know what to do. I did this a few times over the weekend, and once you do it once, twice, 3 times, it becomes easy breezy and no big deal. Again, you'll be able to find all of the steps in Blackboard under assignments, all right?